we're gonna say it in Arabic, English, and Tagalog. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, in English, I bear witness that there is no other God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger and prophet of Allah. Okay. And in Tagalog, ako'y nanunumpa at ako'y sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos na sasambahin maliban kay Allah. At ako'y nanunumpa at sumasaksi na si Muhammad ay kanyang sugo at propeta. At ako'y sumasaksi rin na si Jesucristo na anak ni Maria ay kanyang sugo at propeta. Takbir!